Hello, welcome back. So in our last lesson we looked at what biology is and the branches of biology. So in today's lesson we are going to look at the importance of biology, and the first one is the knowledge acquired through the study of biology can be very helpful in solving environmental problems. For example, we have food shortage. Through the study of biology, we are going to learn how to improve the soil fertility, therefore improving crop productivity, reducing food shortage. Then we have poor health services. Through the study of biology, we are going to learn how to improve hygiene, either domestic hygiene or personal hygiene, so as to avoid diseases like cholera and typhoid. Then we have pollution and environmental degradation. Through the study of biology, we are going to learn ways to reduce or control polluting the environment, for example, by use of environment-friendly products. The next importance of biology is that the study of biology will grant you entry into various careers. For example, we have medicine. If you study biology, you will qualify to study medicine. We have veterinary medicine, we have horticulture and dentistry. The next is that the study of biology leads to development of scientific skills which are useful in life. Examples of these skills are observing, identifying, recording, classifying, measuring, analyzing, and evaluating. So these skills will enable one to make the right choices and lead an improved life. The next importance is, through the study of biology, man learns the causes of human, plants, and animal diseases, and the best way these diseases can be prevented and can be cured. By studying biology, one is in a position to know the diseases that affect the human, diseases that affect the plants, and the diseases that affect the animals. And the best way these diseases can be controlled, can be prevented, and can be cured. And finally, through the study of biology, one is in a position to acquire biological knowledge, which is very useful in enhancing international cooperation. Examples of these international cooperations are, we have a joint development of HIV and AIDS vaccine by Kenyan and the British scientists. So far, there is no cure for HIV and AIDS yet, but the scientists are trying their best to come up with the vaccine. Another one is the coordinated fight against severe acute respiratory syndrome involving the scientists all over the world. So the scientists all over the world are trying to fight against this disease known as severe acute respiratory syndrome. Another one is the fight to save the ozone layer from depletion through various international agreements. For example, we have Kyoto Protocol, which have tried to come up with a solution on how the depletion of this ozone layer can be avoided, because if the ozone layer is depleted, it will lead to global warming, which will in turn will lead to the change in the climate. And if the climate change, it can lead to floods, it can lead to drought, and so on. Then the next one is the management of resources through international treaties, e.g., Convention Against International Trade on Endangered Species. So these international treaties tries to come up with a solution so as to avoid some species becoming extinct. This marks the end of today's lesson. Before we conclude, I want to give you an assignment. List 5 profession occupations that requires the study of biology. Please give your answers on the comment section. Bye and see you in our next lesson.